Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I hope you guys are doing well, and welcome back to another unboxing video. We are on day 14. If you guys haven't been staying up to date, I will post a link up above so you can go check out the rest of the series. But we are on day 14, and I have 3 advent calendars: a 24 Days of Beauty by Belk, a 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea, and a 24 Days of Gourmet Popcorn by Joe and Seth. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first one that we are going to start with is the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea. Again, this is one of my favorite packages. I've said it like every day now, but it is just stunning. We are on day 14, which is this one down here. Alright, let's see. We have, it's called Snow Day. This is what it looks like on the inside. And let's look on the back of the box to see what's in it. It is a low caffeine tea. It has peppermint in it, cocoa beans, cocoa husk, chocolate drops, white chocolate pieces, sugar sprinkles, and some other natural flavorings. And it says it may contain soy and tree nuts. So it's gonna be exciting. So I will put a video of me testing it out now and let you guys know my thoughts. Alright, we have Snow Day, the tea. It smells a little minty. Unsure of what the other flavor is, but it smells like a minty. I would say it smells like a normal minty green tea. But let's try the taste. Ooh, there's a lot of mint there. It's not bad. I'd probably give this a 7. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's okay. Yeah, it's nothing special. Alright, so for our second one today, we will be doing the 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. This is what the inside looks like. We are on day 14, which is this long one right here. So I'll put it down because I cannot open this box without that. Why can I not open this today? It's not there. It might be somewhere at the bottom maybe, or fallen out. But it looks like it was probably a brush of some sort. Oh, I see it's down at the bottom. We'll see if we can find it. Got it. I think this is something for blackheads or acne. I don't really have acne. I've been kind of blessed with not having like whiteheads or blackheads. But yeah, this is cool. So last but not least, we have the Joe and Seth's popcorn. This is what it looks like on the inside. And we are on day 14, which is down here at the bottom. And this is gingerbread. So I will put a video of me trying it in now and let you guys know my thoughts. Alright, so like I said, we are trying the gingerbread popcorn. Ooh, it smells like gingerbread. This is the color of it, if it will focus. Oh. I should preface this tasting with, I'm not a huge fan of gingerbread in general. And this tastes like a gingerbread man. I give this a 6.5 just because of the fact that I just don't like the taste of gingerbread. Like, at all. I think if you like gingerbread, you would like this. I just don't. So, I'm not gonna like it. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, I'm having a ton of fun doing this series with you guys and sharing my first experience opening advent calendars with you all. I make sure you follow me on all my social medias, on Instagram at miss_JennaD_, on Twitter at JennaDMiss, and on Facebook at miss_JennaD. I post all of my video updates on there, and also you can just stay up to date with what's going on. But besides that, I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another unboxing video. I love you guys. Bye.